guys, and today I want to show you. Hello guys, and today I want to show you how to. I want to play this thing that is my hacking. Let's play Uno. Yeah, let's play Uno. Sorry guys. This is cooler with game with Uno. You got player, or maybe you got team, 2 teams, or maybe anything. How to teach Uno, how to install. But first press play. Why is not working? Right, this hype Wi-Fi. Okay, there you go. What is this? There you go. Oh no. Okay, let's play. 36 coin, you got rich. I am Roman. Watch my video is William. Maybe I okay, let's wait our I joined with the girl. I hate girls. I don't have girl. Okay, let's play. What is that? What is showing us? This girl, Natasha. What? Who's Natasha? I got prize 4. Choose the card. Anything color.
Green. Draw 4.
What?
Skip. Skip.
Another one.
Skip.
Told you. I got this one. Told you I got almost here. Press Uno, you pressed it. You got 2 cards, put it
Draw
here.
2. Uno.
Dude,
Red.
Red, I don't red.
Green. Draw 4.
Oh, he's got draw 4. This one. This one I use. Put it here and then.
Yellow.
Yellow you use. You want yellow?
Uno.
What is happening here? Skip.
Skip.
Told you. What?
Uno. Draw 4.
Oh, come on! I don't. We lost. Then we lost. Let's play anything game. Okay? Let's play. This is here. This is called the fake one. They're called toilet. I call toilet because they're noob. Let's play. Level 6. Install the app is free. Who's make it? I make. And this one. Pero get in. What? Let's see. Battle now. We win. Almost. Almost here. Then we won. That's not a fake one. Okay, we're back. This is next level. Oh, that was easy. Okay. But all are very safe. Whoa. What? What out? Get in. Okay, let's see. Almost here. No, no. No. No, no, no. No. Oh my gosh. No, no, what happened? This one little guy. He's got a home alone. The enemy is a home alone. No. Play again. Let's
Try Sunset. I'll start.
Okay, we're back and then we need to restart the whole. Okay, let's try again. I don't like. Oh my gosh. This game's so hard. You need this. Let's play. Find this thing. That's what this game is so easy. Save fingerprint. I got fingerprint. Good. This and this. This. That was easy. Ha ha ha! There we go. This one. And then, you don't know, press this thing. Just like that. The boobs. Sorry guys. Still in it. You want to know what they are. Crush Royale. Wait. Okay guys, we're back again. Then we don't know it's safe. This pizza. This one still. This one. This one. They're right the same. You don't know. Press this one. Donut. We'll be back and then let's see what's that. What is this? The pizza. This thing. This thing. You don't know? It's over here. It's here. Not this. Bye guys, and then I want to show you. I got tomorrow. I need to record again. Okay. Thumbs up, subscribe, and then see you on the next time. Goodbye.